We stay in KwaZulu-Natal because 2 of the 5 men accused of murdering Kiernan aka Forbes will apply for bail based on new facts, we are told, at the Durban Magistrate's Court. The accused Mziwethemba, Gwabeni and Lindokuhle Ndimande, and they were denied bail alongside 3 others. In fact, Forbes and his friend Tebello Motsoane, you might remember, were gunned down outside a Durban restaurant in February of 2023. 2 other suspects who were arrested in eSwatini are awaiting a ruling of the court on their application around their extradition. SABC News reporter Nonhlakanipho Magwaza is inside the Durban Magistrate's Court and joins us now live. The obvious question, Nonhlakanipho, as we wait for today's proceedings to begin, is what this new information might be.
Good morning, Ayan, and to the viewers at home. Currently, we don't know what the new evidence might be. However, we will be speaking to our legal analyst, Abigail Ngobene, who will be telling us more about what she thinks this new evidence is. You'd remember, Ayan, that previously Mziwethemba is one of the suspects that is seen as the alleged mastermind behind AKA murder. He was found in possession with witness statements and he refused previously to give his phone up to the investigating officers. Whether or not they are going to get bail today, that we will have to wait and see. However, let's just bring in Abigail Ngobene, our legal analyst, who will be telling us more about exactly what is expected. We do understand that they are saying that they have new evidence that might help them with their bail application. What could be this new evidence?
Well, it is very difficult to say what those new facts are, given that in terms of the law, they have to come up with something that was not really ventilated on initially. In terms of the law, they are not supposed to be reshuffling old facts and make them look new. So they have to come to court and satisfy the court that, considering the developments from the time the bail was denied until today, there are new things that they wish to bring to the attention of the court. And amongst other things, we are also expecting them, of course, to touch on the issue of eSwatini. You'll remember that the last time we were here for a postponement of the matter, when the matter was set down, I think on the 29th or so of November, it was particular that the eSwatini court has granted the 2 suspects in eSwatini a leave to appeal. So they may come and say the expected delay on eSwatini impacts on this one. But I don't know how they are going to substantiate that, because initially the state had said they are willing to proceed with the 5 to the exclusion of the 2 in eSwatini. So we just have to wait and see what are those new factors are. But in terms of the law, they need to fit into the category of being exceptional in circumstances, and when you consider them, balancing that with the interest of justice should permit their release on bail.
Weighing those facts that you were talking about, and depending on the circumstances, do you think that they will be granted bail? The 2 will be granted bail in advance to the other 3?
We'll just have to wait and see. Remember that the reason why they are called accused number 1 to number 5, in as much as they appear to have worked together in the commission of this particular crime, but they are tried as individuals, their involvement in the matter. So we just have to wait and see what they are coming to court with today, and are using those new factors to say these are the things that I want the court to consider, and we are aware that it's number 4 and number 5 who are bringing this bail on new facts. So at the time when they have ventilated on the issues, one will be able to really legally apply our mind to do our comprehensive analysis to check if such new facts will qualify for their release and admission to bail.
And just one more question. What would be the facts that will be strongest enough for them to be granted bail?
Ordinarily, facts differ from one person to another. But from other cases, I'll just give you a scenario. There are cases where you'll find that one will say, I've been diagnosed of a serious sickness which the correctional service cannot take care of, and my continuous incarceration impact on my health to deteriorate faster, that can qualify as an exceptional circumstance. But like I said initially, one may not be able to really say what are those until we hear on record what are those new factors that they are bringing, and as soon as we hear them, we will be able to ventilate and also appraise the viewer at home to check if those, in terms of the law, do carry a serious weight, probative value, and if the court could really consider that and find that the interest of justice do permit their release on bail.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That was our legal analyst, Abigail Ngobene, saying that it'll depend solely on what those new facts are that will be able to grant them bail today. And she is saying that previously that the court had granted that the trial can continue without the other two who are currently incarcerated at eSwatini. She's saying that it's only exceptional, extremely exceptional circumstances that might compel the court to grant them bail. But Ayanda, we will wait and see from the evidence and what those new facts are and what the outcome of today will be. Back to you in studio.
Nonhlakanipho Magwaza, live to us there from the Durban Magistrate's Court. For now, thanks very much indeed.